This is the Nokia X30 I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can check your mobile phone number on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then enter the About Phone category, that's the very last you'll find. Onwards, go for the, well, it doesn't really have to go any further. So in here at the very top of the page, at the basic info section, the phone numbers that is saved into the SIM card's memory will be displayed, if it is any, of course, saved to the respective SIM card's memory. Otherwise, if you are not able to look your phone number up over here, just, well, make a phone call to somebody you know, and, well, ask them to show you what number, well, they've received a call from. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.